The Edit Undo list is found in the Utilities menu, Edit, Undo List. The Undo List panel will show you all the options that are available to undo. As I scroll through here, I have 25 currently. The undos can only be undone one at a time from the bottom of the list, in the reverse order that they were created. And the panel is a great way of being able to determine what is available to be undone, because not all options in 12D are available for the Edit Undo option. There is also a refresh button, which is great if you've done some undos and you want to check where you're up to. It will actually refresh the screen. I'm going to bring up the undo menu onto the screen. I can paste it. I'm just going to finish the panel. So undo, the insert, undo, a move point, undo another move point. And now when I come back to the undo list, there are no longer 25, there are only 22 to undo.